Finding a quality gas grill doesn't always require breaking the bank. While premium models can cost thousands, there are excellent options available for under $200 that offer impressive performance and features. These budget-friendly grills may not boast the longevity or heavy-duty construction of high-end models, but they can certainly provide satisfying results for several grilling seasons. There are many gas grills under $200 to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best gas grills under $200 from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. MasterCook 3-Burner Barbecue Propane Gas Grill. The MasterCook 3-Burner Barbecue Propane Gas Grill is a powerhouse of outdoor cooking, featuring 3 stainless steel burners that deliver an impressive 30,000 B2 per hour output. With an integrated piezoelectric ignition system, you can fire up your grill quickly and easily using the push and turn control knobs. The grill's sleek design includes a stainless steel control panel with chromium-plated knobs, adding both durability and style. A built-in stainless steel thermometer on the cover lid allows for precise temperature monitoring, while the stainless steel handle provides comfortable operation. The cooking area spans a generous 471.8 square inches, with 339 square inches dedicated to primary cooking and an additional 132.8 square inches for warming. The porcelain enamel wire cooking grates ensure even heat distribution and easy cleaning. Number 2. MegaMaster Premium Outdoor Cooking Grill. The MegaMaster Premium Outdoor Cooking Grill is a compact powerhouse designed for outdoor enthusiasts and grill masters alike. Boasting a heat-resistant and rust-resistant finish, this grill is built to withstand the elements and maintain its performance over time. The durable stainless steel cooking grid offers 199 square inches of cooking space, perfect for preparing meals for small gatherings or intimate outdoor dining experiences. With a cooking power of 16,000 total BTUs, this grill ensures efficient and even heating for all your grilling needs. Designed for convenience, the grill features foldable legs and a lid lock system, making it ideal for storage and transportation. It's important to note that this grill is compatible with LP liquid propane only, ensuring consistent fuel supply for your outdoor cooking adventures. Number 3. Kinart Petite Gourmet Portable Gas Grill. The Kinart Petite Gourmet Portable Gas Grill with VersaStand is a versatile and compact cooking companion designed for outdoor enthusiasts and families on the go. This high-performance grill features an innovative integrated adjustable telescoping base that easily transforms from tabletop to floor stand use, offering unparalleled flexibility in various settings. Despite its small footprint, the ample cooking grate can accommodate an impressive amount of food, including 8 steaks, 8 hamburgers, 6 chicken breast, or over 4 lbs of fish, making it perfect for family meals or small gatherings. The grill's efficient design allows for quick heating and uses less gas than full-sized models, ensuring economical operation. Its portability features, including a lid latch, generous carry handle, and spill-resistant drip tray, make it ideal for beach trips, tailgating, camping, or backyard use. Number 4. MasterCook Classic Liquid Propane Gas Grill. The MasterCook Classic Liquid Propane Gas Grill is a robust outdoor cooking station designed for barbecue enthusiasts, offering a generous 473 square inches of cooking space over porcelain-coated grates. This grill provides ample room for preparing meals for family and friends. Its 3 stainless steel inline burners deliver an impressive 30,000 B2 per hour output, ensuring powerful and consistent cooking performance. The grill features a piezo ignition system for quick and reliable startups at the push of a button, making it user-friendly and convenient. Durability and ease of maintenance are key features, with porcelain enamel wire cooking grates that resist rust and are easy to clean. Number 5. Martin Portable Propane Barbecue Gas Grill. The Martin Portable Propane Barbecue Gas Grill is a versatile and efficient outdoor cooking solution designed for convenience and performance. Featuring a powerful U-shaped burner that delivers 14,000 BTU, this grill ensures even cooking across its 354 square inches of total cooking surface. The porcelain cooking grid and stainless steel lid contribute to uniform heat distribution, guaranteeing perfectly cooked meals every time. With folding support legs, this grill offers quick deployment, allowing you to set up and start grilling in less than a minute. The adjustable temperature control provides flexibility to cook various meats, vegetables, and even buns to perfection. A retractable warming rack adds extra space for keeping food warm or cooking delicate items. The grill's piezo ignition system eliminates the need for an external power source, making it ideal for outdoor adventures. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. And for any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.